Somali Storytellers Digital Storytelling Bootcamp took 20 participants from across Somalia through the process of how to find, make, edit and share their own stories using smartphones or whatever technology they have available to them.
I'm passionate about storytelling because storytelling brings people together and it comes from my heart.
So in Somalia, there is no institutions that teach media and specifically storytelling. So when I found out about the UNDP Storytelling Bootcamp, I was so excited.
Non-linear programs, we focus a lot on the technical skills, how to craft stories, how to film, how to edit. Then the participants went out on a field trip in Mogadishu to actually film stories in the community.
Before I came to here, I thought that storytelling is difficult. I was afraid, especially of telling stories digitally, and now I feel empowered and I don't have any more excuses to not tell the stories of my community and the stories of myself and my family.
It was amazing, awesome experience. I loved the people, environments and the facilitators. Making films and editing was the best part of it.
From here, the Somali Storytellers will participate in a 4-week online course. They'll identify stories in their communities that they want to work on going forward. From there, there's no limit as to where they can take Somali Storytellers.
I am taking the responsibility to spread these skills through my community, because I want to see a lot of young people like me who like storytelling to tell the real truth about their community. They can solve community problems, they can make social awarenesses too.
We made a promise for ourselves and everyone that we keep this connection between us. We help each other, motivate each other in creating more stories and use our skill